Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can activate the location info on your photos and videos, how you can activate it from the application. So at the first we have to tap on this camera icon, and here we have the preview of our camera, and you have to click in my case confirm, because I don't input the SD card here, and then just tap on the settings icon. And as you can see, here we get the GPS option. So in your case it will be like that, but when you tap on it, it's going to change the color on the yellow. And right now when you take a photo or the video, when you switch the mode, it is going to save the settings. You will see exactly the place where the photo or the video was taken. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.